Attention all human resource departments, big and small. This is a warning to you about the software applications that you have been using, from companies masquerading as software platforms for human resource departments. There is danger lurking for all companies who are being used by departments of human resources. Those companies have not been treating you fairly. You have been using obsolete and overpriced software from those companies who you thought were helping you keep track of employees. Those software applications are inferior, whether you have a small company or a giant company. Those software companies' platforms that you're using are not getting the job done. Those companies are about to have a disruptor that will invade that industry, that will cause major headaches for those companies. Onpassive, the IT giant, will soon introduce to the world a superior platform designed for human resource departments. The name of that platform is called OStaff. Yes, OStaff will cause havoc for all companies that have been passing along to human resource departments their version of employee benefits, HR administration and payroll, risk management, HR-related compliance, talent management and HR support and technology. All done without artificial intelligence and machine learning. So how does OStaff differ from all these other human resource software platforms? Let us count the ways. Firstly, OStaff is artificial intelligence and machine learning enabled that offer complete automation of the human resource process. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will make all the following have no equal. 1. Recruiting and hiring. 2. Lead management. 3. Payroll management. 4. Employee boarding. 5. S and MSS applications. 6. Time and attendance management. OStaff is an end-to-end management tool enhanced by artificial intelligence technology and machine learning that are cutting-edge technology. When OStaff is introduced to the world on the internet and offline, suddenly all other HR software applications will become obsolete. They are all costing human resources departments massive amounts of money, and the sad part about it is that these applications are flawed technically. There is one human resource software platform that says, they are the company with heart. Wonder where they got that from? Onpassive is where. That slogan means absolutely nothing. Mr. Ash Mafare and staff, the creators of Onpassive and OStaff, have cornered the market on heart. No one else can make that claim but Mr. Mafare and Onpassive. Other companies marketing human resource software, when OStaff is open to the public, will be in precarious positions. They know that the hammer is about to drop on them and they cannot get out of the way of OStaff. John White, USA. A Bill Must Production.